I have a construction update on the brand new roller coaster coming in this spring, 2025, at Six Flags, New England. So, I heard the train is on the tracks now. The train number one. The second train is not on the track yet. But so if the train's on the tracks, it might about to do a testing. So they might start testing any day, or maybe sometimes next week, or this week, next week. But once they start testing it, they have to test it at least say 200 hours. 200, I need 200 hours or something like that, I'm hearing. But once they do that, then the state of Massachusetts has to go inspect the whole tracks, inspect the whole ride, make sure the ride is safe. After the state signs off, then the ride is ready to open. So I think this roller coaster might be open around the holiday weekend, Memorial Day weekend, and that's like at the end of this month, probably like 3 weeks away. So once the announcement of the brand new coaster be open, I will let y'all guys know when the announcement is. I'm hearing they're gonna have season pass preview of this brand new attraction. So the season pass and season membership people can ride this ride first. So I'm gonna be one of them to ride it. I will have a review of this coaster. We'll have footage of this ride. So I can't wait. I'm getting excited. Can't wait to try this ride. This ride looks fun. This is the only roller coaster in New England. It's like this. So I can't wait to ride it. This ride looks so much fun. This roller coaster is like a family attraction, a family thrill. I just can't wait. The roller coaster looks so good. I saw it. That roller coaster looks spectacular. And right now, every week, it's getting closer and closer for opening. So, we'll let the guys know when the announcement comes out, and I have an announcement right on the channel. And plus, they starting to build a queue line now, and they still have to do the roof, finish the station, and right after that, they have to do landscaping. So they still got a lot of work to do on this brand new ride. So once it get closer to an announcement, I'm gonna let y'all guys know. I'm gonna start testing. I will let y'all guys know. But I can't wait. It's pretty soon we all gonna be riding it.